Hello, this is Michelle at Dandelion Time. Just thought I'd come and check on the chickens. We have a broody hen and I'm wondering about maybe putting some eggs under her to try and hatch them. Let's see if we can check, see how she's doing. So, all the hens and chicks are making an awful noise right now. I'm not sure what they're talking about, but let's check on our broody hen. Let's see, where is she? There she is. Hello, girl. Now, are you sitting on any eggs right now? Shall we take a little look? There's a good girl. I know, I only want to look. Let's see. Now, I can feel one egg at least. Yep, she's got two at least under there. It's alright, girl. No one's going to hurt you. So, what I thought I would do, I've got 6 eggs together and I'm going to attempt to swap the eggs and put the ones that I want her to hatch underneath her, and then remove the one she's sitting on now. I've got a total of 6 eggs and I've put a nought and a cross on either side of them in the hope that we can see whether she turns them every day. Now, chicks take at least 3 weeks to hatch out, so this is a long process and it may not work. We may get so far and she may not sit on them any longer, so we'll just have to see how it goes. So I'll be checking in next when I swap her eggs and I'll let you know. Thanks for now. Bye.